Subscribe the Circuit and Code Academy channel and press bell icon for latest video updates. Hello friends, welcome to Circuit and Code Academy. Today's our first requirement is for Associate Software Engineer. So company name is DEP India Private Limited. So experience required for this position is fresher. So job location is Chennai. So eligibility criteria for this position: candidate must be BE Tech 2020 pass out. Candidate should be of BE Tech in mechanical or computer science. Candidate must have 70% above in 10th, 12th, diploma and graduation. So C++ knowledge is advantages. So excellent communication skill required. To apply this job, you can visit company website DEP India Private Limited. You can read details about company. So company location is Chennai. So you can visit their career page. In career page, just click on view current opening in India. So you can see that there is an opening associate software engineer. So you can read details about job description. So to apply for this job, just click on apply button. So you can fill this form. Our next requirement is for automation engineer. So company name is Traction Technology Private Limited. So experience is fresher. So fresher candidates can apply for this position. Job location is Bangalore. So job description for this job: understand the requirement and the code in Google Apps script and JavaScript. So test the code and find bug. So candidates must be willingness to relocate to Bangalore or once work from office restarts. So previous knowledge of this language is not necessary. Company will provide training for this language. So package for this job is 3 lakhs. So to apply for this job, you can visit company website. You can read details about company. You can send your resume at careers@traction.com. So please mention subject as a application for the automation engineer. Then send your resume at careers@traction.com. So our next requirement is for MERN developer. Language required for this position: MySQL, Node, React, HTML and CSS. Company name is iBot Technology India Private Limited. So this opening is for fresher. So this position is for Pune location. So job description: understand the client requirement. So candidates have to work on React and Node.js language. So React.js is front-end language and Node.js is back-end language. So design and architect database structure. So candidates should have knowledge of AWS. So to apply for the job, you can visit company website. You can send your resume on info@iobot.in. So please mention in subject, so application for the MERN developer. Our next requirement is for Ambit Technology Private Limited. So this position is for fresher or 2-year experience. So job location is Budwan, Ora and Kolkata. So job description for this position. So knowledge of PHP framework is required. So for the experience, candidates must be work on the project, or for the fresher, candidates must have done any course related to this opening. So you can also benefit from work from home. So you can send your resume to hr@ambit.biz. For other job opening, you can visit my YouTube channel Circuit and Code Academy. You can see that there are number of videos. So you can watch these videos and apply for the job. For latest job openings, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.